Hi, welcome to my channel, Closet Entrepreneur. My name is Yvette Teresa. I am a full-time reseller and I have other businesses as well that I'd like to discuss with you eventually, but I wanted to quickly pop on here and discuss a mystery box that I received. And this was my first mystery box purchasing from a wholesaler on Poshmark. Wasn't too happy with what I received. I spent $99 on the mystery box. Then I bought some pillowcases and a black jumpsuit. The quality of all of the items were not great, and also what I received was not what I ordered. So obviously, because of I'm in Los Angeles and we have a stay-at-home order, I am not able to source items like a lot of other people. So I've been trying to figure out different ways of sourcing. It is a challenge because I do have access to such great pieces here in Los Angeles. So I have to be creative and figure out other ways of sourcing. So although I had a lot to still list here, I wanted to get some fresh inventory, some different items, and have some boutique pieces. And so I thought the best way to do that would be to start off with like a 10-piece amount of items, so to just have a fresh amount of things in my closet. So I, shopped the wholesale website and I found a seller that had so many cute pieces. Her name was Aluna Levi, Alunalevi. And her closet was filled with beautiful boutique items, and she had a $99 spring summer box that had 10 pieces randomly put in it. But you're assuming that all the pieces are spring summer. Out of 10 items, I received one spring summer item, and personally, to me, this is probably like a 4-year-old style. When I did originally reach out to her, I had thought perhaps, this is risky getting a mystery box. Like, I let her know about what my concerns were. I said, are these current styles? And she said, yes, these are current styles that are in my closet right now. When I heard that, my assumption was these are some of the pieces I'm getting are going to be the pieces that she had in her closet, because that's what she said. I did not see any of these pieces listed in the wholesale closet. Additionally, when I'm purchasing from a wholesaler to resell in my store that are boutique items, I'm assuming that I'm getting a wholesale price and that I'll be able to sell this at a retail price, at least double what I paid for it. That definitely did not occur. I don't think that I will be able to sell these for the price that I paid for them. Perhaps I might have been able to sell them if they were in season. So if I received these items in winter, then I might have gotten maybe 10-20% of what I paid for them, but I don't even think that, because I probably would have only been able to sell them, like, they are not worth, so $10, $100, that means I paid $10 per item. You'll see that I would not be able to sell these for even $10. So I don't know, it's given that it's not winter, if I were to list these, I definitely won't get $10 a piece. I did reach out to Poshmark and they rejected my claim to return it. So I reached out to my credit card because I did not get what I paid for. The reseller did not want to take responsibility. I think she knew that she had run out of spring summer boxes, because she had let me know when I received this box that she only had one box left. It took about 3 to 4 weeks after I placed the order for me to receive this box. And I had contacted her a few times and she said, oh, the pillowcases are custom order. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm like, can you just send the rest of the box now? And please just send the pillowcases later. But she didn't end up doing that. She said she was going to. She never did that. She waited till the pillowcases came and I ended up getting the box of items 4 weeks later. During that time, I'm only assuming that she ran out of spring summer boxes and I got this leftover stuff, which is not spring summer. I am just going to assume that because I don't see how you could just get away with giving these kinds of items out to people to resell and say that you're a wholesaler and still have clients and customers. I guess that's why I'm on here, just to warn you guys to be careful for a lot of these unscrupulous wholesalers. So I'm just gonna get into the box. I just chatted a lot about my experience. I probably will not be doing another mystery box. I might, do one from a friend or a swap or something like that, or where I know what the pieces are, but a mystery, no, I won't do that again. I'm still in search of some boutique items, and I think I'm just gonna reach out to LA Fashion District and get my pieces from there, where I normally would and have in the past. So I'm just gonna have to reach out to them directly, and I'll be doing a haul soon because I will be receiving a few pieces from there very shortly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this 10-piece mystery unboxing. Not unboxing because I already looked through it, but you'll get to see it. So, green t-shirt, Bella canvas. I don't think I could sell this being that it was plain. It's an extra small. There's not even a graphic on it. You could pretty much buy a plain green t-shirt anywhere. It's not any special quality or anything like that. I don't even think I could sell it because I don't think anyone is searching for this on Poshmark. So hence probably why it's in the mystery box. Yeah, it's probably worth $5, if that. Oh, it also has a stain on it. This is supposed to be new items. Another spring summer item, a neck warmer. A fur neck warmer, leopard. It's cute. I don't know how, of course it's out of season. I don't know how current these are. People are wearing neck warmers this season coming up. I don't know. It's really soft, but the leopard's cute. I don't know who wears neck warmers. I usually wear scarves. So we have a long suede skirt, wrap skirt, size large, and it's faux suede. Kind of like a pencil with this slit in front and these long ties. Not really current, obviously not in season. I don't know who wears suede in the summer. These are pleather leggings. Probably the worst quality pleather leggings I've ever seen. They are just look like plastic. You can see the kind of like woven plastic, shiny kind of look to them. I wouldn't wear these. I wouldn't wear these in the summer. Definitely not. I mean, it's like straight plastic. You're gonna sweat bullets if you were to wear this. This is a large. I had emailed her and I said, I don't know who's gonna wear leather leggings. It's 100 degrees outside, but anyways, we're moving on. Some purple yoga pants. They're cropped yoga pants, and they have this like little crisscross in the sides, medium. I mean, this is kind of non-season, but quality is not very good. I can say that. I mean, looks like there's pilling on it. The waist is not very high. It just looks a bit cheap. The brand is called Shosho. Check me out. You will love it. Not loving it. I'd say that. This is this tiny little snake print purse with gold chain. I mean, pretty basic. Let's see if it even works. Okay. It's so cheap. I mean, I wouldn't sell this. I just would be embarrassed to sell something this cheap quality. It is so thin. This is the lightest chain I've ever felt. This clasp is like, it's like made out of plastic. Yeah, I mean, you can see the seams are coming up everywhere, and you can feel the cardboard inside. It's made of cardboard with some plastic kind of overlay on top. Like, I could make something better than this. The leopard, kind of in with this infinity circles in front. I mean, yeah, it's cheap quality. This one is probably one of the least terrible things, but you just doesn't have a great resale value. I mean, you could probably sell it for $10, so you might accept an offer for $8, so definitely not worth the $10 an item I spent. And here I did receive 2 spring summer type items that just look completely out of date. So we have this kind of a baby doll crochet lavender dress that's a small, but honestly I don't know who this would fit. Maybe XXX small. It is so short and it just doesn't look like it would be very flattering. And it's probably like a fake linen material. Looks like linen, very wrinkly kind of a fabric, and yeah. So here's kind of more of a spring summer item. You've got this scarf. I don't think it's anything particularly great or in season, I mean in style. It's okay. I mean, I would wear it, but you know, I'm not picky on scarves. If I'm wearing a red outfit, I would wear this, but I wouldn't pay $10 for it. And I don't think I could sell it for $10. And I'm getting to my final items from the mystery box. This is kind of an athletic piece. I don't know if you guys can see it. Since I will be figuring out how to return these, I kept everything kind of in their bags, but it's just a very simple sports bra. Kind of under bra type thing. I wouldn't wear this to work out, but maybe to lounge, like a lounge top, because it has no support. The color is kind of like a rust mauve, I guess, or rust, and it doesn't have a size at all. And then I'm gonna get into the piece I purchased. I do have this in my closet, but in the picture I don't think this is the same picture of the item that I did buy. It has the same features, but the material, this looks like kind of like a very thick cotton polyester, and on the photo it really looked more like a slinky type rayon. So when I received this is like also hot as hell. Like the material inside is like a hard fuzzy material. It's got like this kind of fuzzy texture on the outside. Just does not look like what it did in the photo, which looked like a very light kind of easy piece you could throw on in the summer and just feel cool and comfortable and lounge in it. No, that's more of, again, like a winter type item. And then I got these pillowcases, which are the one piece item that I did like and I do have for sale. This one is really, really cute. So this item didn't redeem the box for me. It doesn't redeem the seller for me, but I do like the pillowcases. So I don't think that they're worth the price I paid, but I have been able to find another manufacturer of pillow covers because I think something that I really want to get into for home. And they have really cute pieces, a lot of pieces with writing on them, and I'll be adding those to my closet as well, so I won't have to purchase from her. And the prices, wholesale prices, they are more of a wholesale company and the wholesale prices are a lot better. So that's my haul for you. Buyer beware about mystery boxes and what people are advertising on the box. Poshmark will not give you your money back because they say if it's a mystery box, then you know the items can be random. Even if as supposedly spring summer is in the title and then you didn't really receive spring summer items. So that's kind of a lesson for me. If you want to check me out, check out more items from my closet. My closet name is ANGELINLA, and my eBay name is Closet Entrepreneur. And check me out on all of my social media pages. I have an Instagram where I am Closet Entrepreneur. And thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you again soon.